Tandon MakerSpace is a 10,000 square foot collaborative lab space for students, which features prototyping and test equipment. One of the missions of the school is innovation, invention, and entrepreneurship, I2E. And I think that the Makerspace clearly plays a large role in advancing these missions, these goals of the school. People are realizing that these are necessary skills that the 21st century engineer needs.
We have a lot of different equipment here. We have a wide assortment of different 3D printers. We also have several different CNC machines for computer-controlled cutting of various different materials, woods, plastics, metals, as well as printed circuit board prototyping, soldering, all sorts of equipment. And understanding how things are made and how the development process goes is really critical to being a better designer, being a better engineer.
I think what's really special about Makerspace is that it's open to all NYU students. That makes it very interesting and diverse. You hear a lot of different stories and a lot of different problems and a lot of different solutions here. So what's exciting about laser cutting is that it's a really quick way to build your idea with a variety of different materials and have it in your hands within a matter of minutes.
The Makerspace provides an amazing opportunity to have access to things you never would before. So by bringing in the HoloLens and the Vive, we really get to reach out into the other aspects of engineering which maybe aren't as focused on physical manipulation, especially computer science and video game development and integrated digital media.
My favorite part of the Makerspace is that anyone who has any idea at all can come in and just start making their idea a reality. This also helps with industry experience because students can see firsthand how exactly their part needs to be designed in order to properly be manufactured. We want this space to be where people collaborate and come together and think of really new ideas and implement them.
We also have some advanced manufacturing equipment downstairs. So we have a CNC water jet cutter that can cut through several inches thick of pretty much any material.
To gain access to use the machines, users must come for a safety orientation. This orientation includes a tour of the space, some safety info, and also a training on how to use the Ultimaker 3D printers. Once users have come to this training, they can then attend any other training that we offer. So something like advanced 3D printer training, laser cutter training, solder training, other mill, ShopBot, things like that. In addition to the prototyping equipment in the Makerspace, we also have 20 computer workstations. These are loaded with software such as SolidWorks, ANSYS, Mimix, MATLAB, Adobe Creative Cloud, design software that students might need as they're working on their projects.
I can create anything that I want here. It's also just really cool to see a plane sitting next to a golf cart, sitting next to a dune buggy, sitting next to a refrigerator, growing plants. It's great to see all these different projects just coexisting in the same place.
We often have workshops that might teach more design or software skills. And we also have fun things to do. We have creative workshops, we have Halloween workshops and holiday gifts and costume making because we want to also encourage creativity. At NYU and here at the NYU Tandon MakerSpace, there are several different initiatives to help students with funding for projects. There is funding through the NYU Prototyping Fund, so teams can apply and get up to $500 a semester to fund their projects. Here in the Makerspace, we also have mini grants, which are monthly $50 awards. There's a lot that happens in the Makerspace besides the physical act of making, and it's a great component of the space.